You guys, welcome back. Today I'll be making Jim Jaew, Thai barbecue dipping sauce. Savory, sour, nutty, and herbaceous. On medium-low heat, toast raw jasmine rice in a dry pan. Toast until a deep golden color like this. Pound it up. This will add a fragrant nutty element and nice crunch to the dip too. Toasted rice powder is done. On medium heat, roast dried chilies in a dry pan. Keep a close eye on them because they can burn quickly. When they develop a deep color like this, they're done. Let's pound them up. Roasted chili flakes are done. Some seedless tamarind pulp, and boiling water. Let it sit for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, dissolve the solid pulp as best as you can. Strain it, and we have tamarind liquid, fruity and super tart. For fresh aromatics, shallots, scallion, and culantro. To make this dip, in goes palm sugar, tamarind liquid, lime juice, fish sauce, all of the fresh aromatics. Roasted chili flakes, toasted rice powder, mix well. Here we have it. Jim Jaew. This dip is spicy, savory, sour, nutty, and herbaceous. Serve with your favorite grilled meats and freshly steamed sticky rice. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, and I'll see you all in the next video. Be safe, everyone.